Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the latest and greatest in beauty and wellness. Today, I'm excited to dive into a product that's all about keeping your smile in tip-top shape without the hassle of traditional flossing. If you've ever struggled with floss getting stuck, or maybe you just want a more efficient, mess-free way to keep your teeth clean, this is for you. Let's talk about the Water Dental Flosser for teeth. This portable, cordless oral irrigator is designed to provide a dentist-inspired clean using precision jet tips that are thinner and more effective than traditional floss. Perfect for anyone with braces, dental work, or sensitive gums, it's a game changer when it comes to oral care. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This water flosser features 6 replaceable jet tips, and the ultra-fine 0.4 millimeter spout ensures that it can reach those hard-to-reach areas between your teeth or around braces, providing a deep clean. It's clinically proven to be 3 times more effective than traditional dental floss, removing up to 99.9% of food particles and stains. Whether you're someone with sensitive gums or complex dental work, this flosser promises a more thorough clean that's gentle on your gums. Now, let's talk about its performance. The flosser comes with 3 cleaning modes: soft, strong, and pulse, so it's customizable depending on your oral care needs. The pressure settings range from 60 to 120 psi, with a pulse frequency of up to 1,800 pulses per minute, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Whether you need a gentle touch or a more intense clean, it adapts to what you're looking for. Plus, the memory function recalls your last used mode, which is a simple but thoughtful feature. I used this flosser for a couple of weeks, and what stood out was how easy it was to incorporate into my daily routine. The 300 milliliter water tank is large enough for full mouth cleaning without needing constant refills, which is a major time saver. I also love the IPX7 waterproof rating, making it safe for use in the shower. The ergonomic design with an anti-slip back fits naturally in my hand, making it comfortable to use even when my hands are wet. And the noise level? It's surprisingly quiet, under 55 dB, so it doesn't disturb my morning routine. Now, of course, no product is perfect. The tank is large, which is great for fewer refills, but it also makes the flosser a bit bulky. It can be a little tricky to maneuver around in smaller spaces, especially if you're using it in a cramped bathroom. But this is a minor trade-off for the efficiency and thoroughness it offers. When it comes to value for money, I think this flosser is a solid investment. It's effective, durable, and comes with features that make it stand out, such as the USB-C fast charging, fully charged in just 3 hours, and the 30-day battery life on a single charge. With its portability, this is ideal for travel as well as daily home use. The only thing to keep in mind is that it doesn't come with the charging adapter, so you'll need to have one on hand. If you're looking for alternatives, there are similar models at a lower price point, but they often don't come with the same level of precision or features. If you're on a budget, there are options out there, but I'd say the quality and performance of this one justifies the price. As for the build quality, this flosser is made with durable materials, and I appreciate how lightweight and easy it is to carry around, making it great for on-the-go use. It's a perfect companion for keeping up with your oral hygiene during travel, especially considering how long the battery lasts. So is this flosser worth it? Absolutely. It's a fantastic solution for anyone looking for a more effective, less hassle-free way to floss. Whether you have braces, sensitive gums, or just want to step up your oral care game, this product has you covered. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in trying out this water flosser for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the comments. And if you've tried this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.